the silence of a long gaming session can be heavy, especially when you are grinding through a repetitive quest or waiting in a lobby for 20 minutes. Most people just put on a podcast or some music, but there is a new way to fill that void. It is a digital shadow that follows you into every dungeon, every firefight, and every race. This tool watches your screen through the same eyes you do. It is called Questie, and it wants to be your best friend, or at least your most talkative co-pilot. It is an artificial intelligence built specifically for the gaming world. It does not just sit there, it reacts. When you pull off a miracle play, it cheers. When you walk off a ledge like an idiot, it might actually poke fun at you. This is not just a set of random sound bites. The system uses context-aware reactions to stay in the moment with you. It feels personal because it has a long-term memory. It remembers your wins. It remembers your fails. It actually learns your personality over time. For someone who streams on a regular basis, this is like having a permanent guest on the show. It keeps the commentary flowing even when the chat is quiet. It bridges the gap between the player and the audience. It feels surprisingly natural. It is an immersive layer that transforms the whole experience. But we have to talk about the wall standing in your way. That wall is $20 every single month. There is no free trial to test the waters. You are either all in or you are out. For a lot of people, that is a steep price for a voice in their headset. You also have to consider the noise factor. Sometimes you just want to soak in the atmosphere of a beautiful game world. You want to hear the wind in the trees, or the distant hum of machinery. An AI that never stops talking can quickly turn from a cool companion into a nagging distraction. It is a fine line to walk. If you are the type of player who loves the social aspect of gaming, this might feel like magic. It adds a layer of life to single-player experiences that usually feel lonely. But if you are a purist, you might find the constant chatter breaks the immersion. It is a polarizing bit of tech. You have to ask yourself if the personality it brings to the table is worth the subscription cost. It is a bold step toward the future of how we interact with our software. We are moving past simple menus and settings. We are entering an era where our tools have opinions. They have memories. They have a sense of humor. Whether that is a good thing or a bad thing is entirely up to you. It is a specialized experience for a very specific crowd. If you want that extra spark in your sessions, it is out there waiting. But if you prefer the quiet, keep your money in your pocket. It is as simple as that. You have to weigh the cost against how much you actually use it. If it makes the game more fun, then go for it. If it just gives you a headache, stay away. The tech is impressive, but it is not for everyone. It is a tool. It is a friend. It is a subscription. You just have to decide which one of those matters most to you. It really pushes the boundaries of the hobby. We used to just play games. Now, we play with the games, and the games talk back. It is a weird shift, but it is one worth watching.